Ever wished you could change your voice on Discord so no one knows it's you?
You're funny.
Okay, so what if I told you this isn't my real voice?
Yeah, that was totally fake. I'm not even kidding. I can sound like whoever I want.
And when I say anyone, I mean anyone, from celebrities to anime characters. Just open EaseEye's voice sniff and select your input and output devices. Then just select your desired voice.
We are optimizing Discord for Mars.
You can also adjust the pitch of your voice to make it sound more realistic. And if you want to sound like a girl, just slide it higher.
To use this in Discord, just go to Settings, then Audio Settings, and select VoiceWave Virtual Device as your input device.
Who's this?
Hey, Alex. You sound really cute earlier in the group chat. Do you wanna chat sometimes?
No thanks, but I don't really like girls.
Stop the cap.
So you don't like girls, huh?
Oh yeah, what about now, bro?
Finally, to improve your voice quality, make sure you're using headphones. Turn on echo cancellation and keep voice suppression set to standard.